Look at that. Hello everyone. Welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today I am going to experiment with purple sweet potato. I've had them before. They're really amazing, but today I'm going to try to make some donuts. So I normally make donuts with pumpkin or with carrots, but today I've decided to try to make my donuts with the sweet purple potato, and let's see what happens. I've washed them already. Now I'm going to peel them and boil them. And let's boil it now. Look how purple this is. Interesting. Look at the water. This will add color to the donuts, and that's what I'm looking for. The potatoes are nice and soft, so now I'm going to puree them. Here's the puree. It feels quite thick, but I like the color, so let's see. So for this purple sweet potato donut experiment, I'm going to be using about 4 cups of flour, also 4 cups of the purple sweet potato in puree. I'm going to be using the rind of 1 orange, 1 egg, and one of these little packages of the dry yeast dissolved in a little bit of water. And also I'm going to put a pinch of salt in there. Now, remember, this is just an experiment. It's a practice run. So let's see how it turns out. Let's get everything in there. And then just mix it all by hand. This is fun. So the color is beautiful, but the consistency is a little bit on the stiff side. I like my dough to be a little bit looser. So I decided to add the juice of the orange as well. Instead of adding water, I'll add the orange juice. It'll add to the flavor and the texture. Wow, I'm excited about these. The consistency is good. This is what I was looking for. And now I'm just gonna let it rest until it doubles in size. God help your eyes. And the donuts are ready for frying. It's double in size, and you see the bubbles coming up. They look really cute and really purple. cinnamon and sugar. Well, they look really delicious. So now it's time to reveal and to taste. All right, so let's just grab one here. This one. And let's, oh, look at that. Beautiful color. So soft. Mmm. Oh my God, it melts in your mouth. Wow. It's so, so delicious. Purple sweet potato donuts. Amazing. Try it out. It works, it's delicious, it's colorful, it's playful, it's just fantastic. Try it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to keep up with Linda. I'm too busy eating. Mmm. So good.